Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the chain adjustment bolt on your chainsaw, first make sure the chainsaw's engine has cooled. Next, release the top cover clips and lift the cover off. Remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the chainsaw from accidentally starting. Now remove the nuts securing the clutch cover. Pull the cover off and set it on a sturdy surface. Now remove the tension bracket screw and carefully lift the adjustment bolt and assembly out. Remove the bracket and pull off the tension gear. Prepare the new chain adjustment bolt for installation by transferring the chain tensioner from the old part to the new one. Be sure to position the tensioner in approximately the same place on the new bolt. Replace the tension gear by sliding it onto the square end of the bolt. Realign the bracket and position the assembly in the cover. Secure it with the screw. To replace the cover, the chain tensioner will need to be inserted into the hole in the chain bar. You'll probably need to rotate the tension adjustment screw counterclockwise to properly align the tensioner. With the cover in place, hand tighten the nuts. Now lift the bar and rotate the adjustment screw clockwise until there is no slack in the chain. Fully tighten the nuts and confirm that the chain is taut. Attach the wire and boot to the spark plug. Realign the top cover and secure it with the clips.